You ever open your banking app at the end of the month and kind of brace yourself first? Like, not in a dramatic movie way, more in that quiet, slightly tired way where you already know what you're going to see. A little money came in, a lot of money went out, and somehow you were responsible all month but still don't feel any richer. You paid bills, maybe skipped a few dumb purchases, maybe even transferred something into savings, and yet your financial life still feels like you're jogging on one of those airport walkways that's somehow going backward. And I think about this stuff way too much. My name is Threk, and I spend an unreasonable amount of time thinking about money, financial psychology, and why some people slowly, almost boringly become wealthy, while other people earn decent money for years and somehow stay stuck in the same loop. And the strange thing is, the difference usually isn't one giant move. It's not some secret crypto coin, some perfect stock pick, some billionaire morning routine with ice baths and almonds and whatever else the internet is selling this week. It's a monthly habit. A very unsexy one, honestly. But if you do this every month, consistently for long enough, you give yourself something close to a financial conveyor belt toward a seven-figure net worth. Not because you become a genius, not because you manifest abundance, but because you stop leaving wealth to chance, mood, and leftover money. Here's the habit. Every single month, run a personal wealth meeting with yourself. That's it. I know it sounds so boring it could lower your heart rate, but stay with me because this one habit quietly controls almost everything that matters. Your spending, your saving, your investing, your progress, your honesty with yourself. And that last one matters more than people admit. Most people manage money like they manage junk drawers. They toss things in, hope it sort of works out, and only look inside when something is on fire. Then they say stuff like, "I need to be better with money," which feels productive but actually means almost nothing. A monthly wealth meeting is different. Once a month, same date if possible, you sit down for maybe 30 to 45 minutes and look at 5 things: your net worth, your income, your spending, your investment contributions, and the one adjustment you need to make next month. Not 10 adjustments, 1. That's important, because when people get overwhelmed, they don't transform, they disappear. Start with net worth. This is the number people avoid because it feels emotionally loaded. If it's lower than you hoped, it feels like a report card. If it's rising too slowly, it feels discouraging. But that's exactly why it matters. Net worth is your financial reality in one frame. What you own minus what you owe. Cash, investments, retirement accounts, debt, credit cards, loans, all of it. No vibes, no guesswork, just the picture. And look, the first few months might feel underwhelming. You'll stare at the number and think, that's it? Totally normal. Wealth is weirdly unimpressive in the beginning. It grows like a tree for a long time before it looks like a forest. But when you track it every month, something subtle starts happening. You stop thinking only in terms of paycheck and bills, and you start thinking in terms of ownership, assets, progress, momentum. That's a different identity. Then look at the gap. This is the space between what you earn and what you spend. And honestly, this little gap is where your entire future is hiding. Millionaire net worths are built in that gap, not in the income headline, not in the salary flex, in the gap. Because if you make good money and your lifestyle expands like a hungry balloon every time your income rises, you're not building wealth, you're financing an image, and images are expensive, they need constant feeding. A nicer car becomes a higher payment, a better apartment becomes a bigger baseline, a few upgrades become your new normal, and suddenly your raise has vanished into furniture and delivery fees and subscriptions you forgot existed. So every month ask one uncomfortable question: did my life get more efficient or just more expensive? That question alone can save people years. Next, automate the asset purchase. This is where the magic starts to look mechanical, which is exactly what you want. During your monthly meeting, decide how much money is going into assets before the next month begins. Index funds, retirement accounts, brokerage contributions, extra debt payments if high-interest debt is still hanging around like a bad roommate. Set the amount, Automate it, then let your future self be slightly less involved. Because disciplined people are not always more motivated, they just build systems that work even when they're distracted, annoyed, or tempted by patio furniture they absolutely do not need. And here's where the millionaire part becomes less mysterious. A $100,000 net worth is usually not built by one heroic month. It's built by hundreds of ordinary ones. You invest every month, you increase contributions when income rises, you protect the gap, you avoid resetting your lifestyle every time life gets a little shinier, you keep buying assets, again and again, like laying one brick a month on a house you can't fully see yet. That's why the fourth part of the monthly meeting matters so much. Raise the floor. Whenever your income goes up, even a little, increase your automatic investing amount. Not all at once if that feels painful. Even 5% or 10% of every raise is powerful. The mistake people make is treating extra income like automatic spending permission. Richer people, or at least people who become rich eventually, treat extra income like an opportunity to permanently increase their asset-building machine. That's the whole game, really. Not earning more just to live harder. Earning more so more of your life starts working for you. And yes, there will be messy months, car repairs, random emergencies, the kind of weeks where money seems to leave the house through invisible cracks in the wall. That doesn't mean the system failed. It means you're a human being living on Earth. The monthly meeting is there to keep one bad month from becoming a blind year. That's a huge difference. So, if you want the closest thing to a guarantee of a $100,000 net worth, do this every month. Sit down, tell yourself the truth, track your net worth, protect the gap, automate asset purchases, and raise your contributions whenever you can. Make wealth a routine, not a mood. Because that's really what millionaires do. Even the quiet ones you never notice. They don't just hope money accumulates around them like dust. They create conditions for it, month by month, choice by choice, calmly, repeatedly. And maybe that's the most encouraging part of all this. You do not need to become a different species. You just need 1 hour a month where you stop drifting and start steering. That hour can change your life. Not instantly, not dramatically, but in the deep way that matters. The way that makes you look up one day and realize the thing that used to feel impossible now feels inevitable.